Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, select System, click on Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Finally click Theme and then click on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can download one of those images by tapping on the chosen one, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and apply your keyword by tapping on Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!